Hey writers, welcome back to The Write-Off, the show where I demystify self-publishing and help you build a real, sustainable business as an indie author. I'm Emily, and today we're diving into the tools and services that can seriously level up your writing, publishing, and marketing game. Think of this episode as your indie author toolbox. No fluff, just what you actually need to publish well and work smart. Let's start with the obvious, writing. Scrivener is a go-to for drafting long-form fiction. It helps you organize chapters, notes, research, and timelines all in one place. Yes, there is a learning curve, but trust me, it's worth it. Google Docs or Microsoft Word. For collaboration, especially with editors or beta readers, Google Docs makes it easy to track changes and leave comments. I honestly love reading beta and editor comments. It's one of my favorite things. Now, Pro Writing Aid or Grammarly. I personally love Pro Writing Aid. These aren't a replacement for a human editor, but they catch grammar, spelling, and style issues that can clean up your draft before you send it off to an editor. Now let's talk about tools that polish your manuscript and make it look professional. The Reedsy Marketplace. This is a great place to find vetted freelance editors, formatters, and designers. Vellum, I hope I'm saying that right. Vellum, I think it's Vellum, is sleek, easy, and makes beautiful ebooks and print-ready files. This is very similar to Reedsy, however, it is Mac only. Now, Atticus is for Mac and Windows. A strong Vellum alternative, especially for PC users. It is still growing, but it's very popular and powerful. Hemingway Editor. This is great for clarity and readability. It helps simplify your writing, especially for you nonfiction authors. Now here's a pro tip. Always budget for a real editor. These tools help you come to that process better prepared, but they do not replace. Now let's move on to design and branding. Now everybody already knows Canva. It's perfect for creating social media graphics, ads, teaser images, and even branded templates for book launches. You don't need to be a designer to make your book look good online. Now BookBrush is new to me, but after some research I found out it's tailor-made for authors. Use it to create 3D mock-ups, promo images, and even animated ads. Now, I haven't used BookBrush yet, but I'm going to, and I'm very excited. I'll keep you guys updated. And Fiverr or 99 Designs. If you're on a tight budget, Fiverr can be a place to find affordable designers for logos, ads, or even simple book covers. Just vet them carefully first. Now this is where many authors freeze, marketing and sales. But the right tools can make it more manageable. The first tool, and the most common, is BookFunnel. This is a software for delivering ARCs, building your email list, and setting up any direct sales. Next up, there's Story Origin or Book Sirens. These two programs are great for finding newsletter swaps, review opportunities, and cross promos with other authors. MailerLite. This is one of the best email marketing platforms for authors. It's user-friendly, affordable, and has automation features that help you stay in touch with your readers. And Amazon Ads Dashboard plus the Publisher Rocket. These two things go together. Ads can be extremely overwhelming, but Publisher Rocket helps you research keywords, categories, and competitive titles. Now, Linktree or Beacons can offer a clean, clickable hub for your bios, website, books, and sign-up links. Now, these two resources are extremely helpful on Instagram and Book Talk. Now, if you're in this author journey for the long haul, you have to treat it like a business. Google Drive or Dropbox helps you to back up everything, and it's important to do that, always. Notion or Trello, these are for planning releases, tracking goals, organizing book series, and managing your publishing calendar. And finally, the last thing you'll need is QuickBooks. As a bookkeeper, I know how important this is. So start tracking your expenses and income now, even if you're just getting started. It makes tax season way less painful. And I'm always here to help you if you need. So here's your author toolkit starter pack. To write, you can use Scriver, Google Docs, and Pro Writing Aid. To edit and format, Readsy, Vellum, Atticus, and Hemingway. For design, there's Canva, BookBrush, which I'm so excited to try, and Fiverr for those freelancers. And to market your book, there's BookFunnel, MailerLite, Story Origin, and Publisher Rocket. And to help you run your author business, there's Notion, Google Drive, and QuickBooks. You don't need everything all at once, but start with the essentials and build your tool stack as your author career grows. Thanks for tuning into The Write-Off. Tools are great, but what matters most is putting them to work. Pick one thing to implement this week, whether it's testing a formatting tool, setting up your email list, or scheduling your first newsletter. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And share this episode with a fellow writer who's ready to level up their author game. Tell me in the comments, what's your must-have indie author tool? Until next time, keep writing, keep learning, and remember, your story matters.